Hi, and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to make your own coffee filter at home. Method 1 is the paper towel method. So throughout the rest of this video, I'm going to be using a mason jar because I find it easier to attach the rubber band to, and I can make more coffee than I could in a mug. Once you have all your supplies ready, you'll need to fold the paper towel in half and then in half again so that you end up with a square or a rectangle shape slightly larger than your mug opening. Place the paper towel on your mug and secure it with a rubber band or a string. Make an indent in the center of the paper towel, add your ground coffee to the indent, and then slowly pour boiling water over the coffee grounds, being sure to saturate them evenly. Now keep in mind, you want to go about this slowly. And with the paper towel method especially, it is crucial that you make an indent in the paper towel. If you don't make an indent, what's going to end up happening is the water and coffee will seep to the edges of the paper towel and will start to drip onto your countertop. You'll still get a little bit of seepage to the paper towel edges even if you have an indent, but if you don't have a deep enough indent in the paper towel, you're going to have water running all over the place. The second method for making your own coffee filter is to use a clean dish towel or any small towel or piece of cloth that is large enough to fit around the lip of your mug or mason jar. So here are the steps you're going to follow. Using a rubber band or a string, you're going to secure the dish towel on top of your mug and make a pocket in the cloth. Add your coffee and then slowly pour boiling water over the coffee grounds, being sure to saturate them evenly. Once done, remove the dish towel and rinse it immediately to avoid staining. Okay, method number 3. So in this method, you're going to use a fine mesh sieve or sieve. I believe it's sieve, so I'm going to say sieve for the rest of this video. Keep in mind though, a sieve won't filter out all of the coffee particles, so you may end up with coffee ground mud in the bottom of your mug, which I actually love, but at least your coffee is going to taste great. Okay, so to use a metal sieve to make your cup of coffee, place the sieve into the mouth of your coffee mug, cup, or mason jar, add the coffee grounds, and then just like the other methods, slowly pour hot water over the grounds. Now, if you don't have a small sieve like this, then you obviously can't use this method, and you might be wondering, where do I get a sieve like that? Well, if you look in the description of my video below, I have links to a lot of the products that I use in this video on Amazon. And the fine mesh sieve is, I think, between $10 and $12, and you can order it by clicking on that link below. Any of the links in the video description are affiliate links, so if you click through and buy a sieve through my link, I'm going to make a small amount of money, like 10 cents, but it's at zero additional cost to you. Method number 4, it's come to this. You're out of coffee filters, you don't have any paper towels, and your dish towels are all dirty. Using a sock as a coffee filter might seem like a last resort, but honestly, it's probably just a typical Wednesday morning for your average frat boy. So to use a sock as a coffee filter, you can follow these steps. Take a clean, thin sock and stretch it over the rim of a mug or a small pot. Make sure the sock fits snugly and doesn't fall off. Fill the sock with the coffee grounds and then pour the boiling water into the sock. Now with this method, you don't need to go slowly because once your mug is filled with water, you're actually just going to let the sock and the coffee steep for 4 minutes. So you can think of your sock as a coffee tea bag. Okay, so set a timer for 4 minutes because that's the desired amount of time for all the oils to extract, etc. So now you're going to remove the sock, take stock of your life and why in God's name you're brewing coffee with a sock, and then take a sip. Let me know which method you prefer in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.